Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crown K here. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, please just hit that subscribe button and become a part of the gang. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. Guys, today's video is a wig review. Y'all already know once I get on here with this wig cap on, or any wig cap, you know what time it is. It's time to do a wig review. And guys, today's video will be a really quick video. It's straight to the point. So today's video is in partnership with myfirstwig. Thank you, myfirstwig, for sponsoring this video. And y'all already know myfirstwig is one of my favorite companies. I do a lot of reviews for them. So without all the extra talking, let's jump into the video. Did send over some free items in the box. I got headbands. Yeah, they sent me headbands. And I'm feeling this one. I like this color. Maybe because it matches my nail and it looks a lot more fall-like. And got some edge control. Yep. As well as a kit. What I like with myfirstwig, if you're a first-time wig wearer, literally as the name says, they give you a wig as well as accessories, so it's easy for you. So I did get this pouch, which they always send. It carries duck clips, hairpins, as well as a rat tail comb. So this makes it even easier for you. They literally give you everything you need to do your wig. If this is your first wig, it definitely gives you all the things that you do need. And I love how their hair comes. It comes in this little case, this tuxedo case, which is pretty cool. You can store your wig in that. And this is the wig. So today's wig is a Yaki texture, and it's 18 inches. And this is the cap size 1, which has a circumference of 21.5 inches to 22 inches. So basically a medium cap size, in other words. And it's a headband wig. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice color. It's a nice honey, I would say, color. It looks a little darker on camera versus what I'm looking at. So it's a nice honey color, and it is a Yaki texture. The inside of the wig carries 4 combs, 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back. It has adjustable straps, and it has the headband strap. And I like the headband wigs that are constructed like this because it's more secure. And it literally just fits your head. It doesn't move. So guys, I'm gonna just maybe flat iron this. Just like that, our wig is on, it's secured, and we have hair. So we're ready in a few minutes. I love the color of this wig, and I like the texture. Because of the Yaki texture, it looks very natural. Isn't that amazing, guys? In a minute, we have a whole hairstyle. That's crazy. I was thinking of straightening this hair, but I like how it looks crinkled. I don't know if that's weird, but it's kind of giving me a little wave kind of vibe. So I'm not gonna straighten it. I'm going to leave it as is. And because of the Yaki texture, I think maybe that's why it looks good with the crinkles in there. I'm gonna use though some flyweight tamer, and this is from myfirstwig as well. I had got this a while back, so I'm gonna use that to just lay the little top part that's I have a lot of flyaways, so. So just like that, we're transformed. I'm going to put one of the headbands on. Guys, this wig has 130% density. It is a Yaki texture and it's 18 inches. It's pretty full. You know that the Yaki texture has little, like, you know, crimps on it. It's not as straight as how you would have just like a straight hair texture. The Yaki texture is a little different. So let me see. That's how it looks up close. And the hair is ombre. It starts dark and then it gets to this like brown honey. The hair is ombre. It starts dark and then it gets to this like brown honey kind of color. I don't know if it's honey, but yeah. And I really like the color. It goes great with me. So yeah, I like the color. So I'm gonna do a headband for y'all and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Let me do like a turn so you can see the hair. This is what the hair is looking like, guys, with the headband on. And they did send me 2 headbands, but I like this one. I think this one goes way better with the hair. So this is what it's looking like. I think it's pretty cute. The hair is full for the most part. I definitely would not want a Yaki hair like any fuller than this for this length, so I'm good with that. The hair is not shedding and I am running my fingers through it. The hair is not shedding. It's not tangly, so that's good. And I love the color of this hair. I love the way how they ombre it, how it transitioned from like the dark to the colored part, so that's pretty good. So thus far I have nothing bad to say about this headband wig. And then it's easy. It's like just like that, you're ready. Just like that, your hair could be looking crazy. You pull this on. I did this half up, half down like situation and I really like it. I just put a little bit up and I used the hair and just wrapped the base of the ponytail so it looks like a little bit neater, and I think it's super cute. I think it's super cute, guys. So y'all see that you can definitely do different styles, half up, half downs, ponytails, whatever you want. Like there's a lot of options. The styling options are like endless with headband wigs. That's what I've noticed. Oh my god, I cannot talk. That's what I've noticed. The styling options are like limitless. You just have to be creative with them. And guys, you could definitely curl the ends of this and curl the ends right here too, so then it'll just look super cute. But I'm loving it. Let me know if y'all like this style. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you hit the subscribe button already, and I hope that you turn your post notifications on, please, so every time I upload you'll know when I upload, please. Okay, and please leave me a comment, guys, down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like this hair, and if you do like this hair, all the information is down in the description box down below. So guys, my crown crush today is Prince Akpan. I don't know if that's how his the name is pronounced, but always showing love on my videos. always leaving me comments. So shout out to you. Thank you so much. I think I'm gonna throw another one in there. So another crowned crush is Brianna Chambers. I'm gonna leave her thing on the screen too. Shout out to you. Thank you for like commenting under my videos. Thank you for like, you know, always showing me love. I love you guys so much. You have no idea. Without y'all support, there is no me. So thank you so much. And if you want to be my crown crush, just spam my comments, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and you could most definitely be one of my crown crush. So thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.